We're officially just weeks away from Samsung's biggest launch of the year, and at this point, the leaks aren't slowing down, they're flooding in. And if you've been following GigaGuide, you already know this. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is the phone everyone's watching. But here's the real question. Is this finally a major upgrade, or just another safe refresh? I've gone through every credible leak, insider report, and early detail to give you the full, no-hype breakdown. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra still looks bold and professional, but Samsung has made some smart changes. The sharp edges are now slightly rounded, making the phone far more comfortable to hold without losing that Ultra identity. It's also slimmer, around 7.9 millimeters, which might not sound huge, but in daily use, it makes a real difference. Color options are getting more exciting too. Cobalt violet brings a premium pop, while titanium black looks clean, stealthy, and very high-end. Around the back, Samsung has redesigned the camera layout. Instead of multiple lenses sticking out separately, everything is now housed inside a single pill-shaped camera module, giving the phone a cleaner, more refined look. Now, here's one of the most underrated upgrades this year. Samsung is introducing something called Flex Magic Pixel technology. It's essentially a built-in privacy filter inside the display itself. If someone tries to look at your screen from the side, everything appears blurred. But straight on, it's perfectly clear. No settings, no accessories, no compromise. Simple idea, extremely useful, and honestly, one of Samsung's smartest additions in years. So what's powering all of this? The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and this chip is an absolute beast. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K video, or multitasking like crazy, the phone stays fast, smooth, and cool. No throttling, no overheating, just pure performance. But performance this year isn't just about speed. Samsung is putting a massive spotlight on Galaxy AI. We're talking smarter email summaries, real-time call translation that's faster and more accurate than before, and photo tools that let you remove or reposition objects with a single tap. It genuinely feels less like AI features and more like a smart assistant baked directly into the phone. Camera upgrades? Oh, yes. The 200MP main camera is back, but this time it's smarter. Samsung has reworked night photography so photos come out brighter and clearer without that artificial, over-processed look. Low-light shots are finally starting to look natural again. Zoom is getting serious attention, too. Reports suggest major improvements to 5x and 10x zoom, making distant shots noticeably sharper. If you're at a concert, stadium, or shooting from far away, this is a big win. Battery-wise, things stay familiar on paper. You're still getting a 5,000 mAh battery, which might sound disappointing, but here's the catch. The new chip is far more power efficient, meaning you should comfortably last a full day, even with heavy use. Charging finally steps up too. With 60-watt fast charging, a quick 15-minute top-up can easily power you through the rest of your evening. Now, let's talk price. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to start around $1,299. It's expensive, no doubt about it. But if you want the best display, the most powerful Android chip, top-tier cameras, and the most advanced AI features Samsung has ever made, this is the phone designed exactly for that. Samsung is set to officially unveil the Galaxy S26 Ultra on February 25th, 2026, with availability starting mid-March. So the big question remains, is this the Ultra upgrade fans have been waiting for? Stay tuned, because things are about to get very interesting.